Let us see how to create a pattern, linear pattern in SolidWorks. So create an object and select the linear pattern command. Linear pattern command. Select the direction. Number of pattern. Now second the other direction, give the number required in the items area. Enter the distance between the number of items. Give OK. Now change the features to bodies option. Select the bodies option. Select the object. Now give OK. In this way the linear pattern can be created. Thank you.